All right. You're welcome to La Prinzo World Academy, ladies and gentlemen. You're watching this video from YouTube. You're welcome to my YouTube channel. If you're watching the video on TikTok or all my social media platforms, I want to congratulate you for being here because what you're going to learn tonight is going to blow your mind. Tonight, we're going to talk about failing successfully in the industry or anything you're doing. We are forex traders, and as a forex trader, you need to understand the risk part of life. If you don't understand the risky part of life, you're only thinking about success without thinking about failure, then you cannot make money in the forex financial market. My name is Prince Ikilowe, and I want to welcome you guys tonight who are here with me in the Zoom call. That if you understand these principles that I'm going to discuss about tonight, and then after discussing the principles, I'm going to show you my chart. I'm going to show you how I analyze the market, how I see the market, and how clearly you can see the market and make profit from this market. Because this volatility indices that we are trading is very, very profitable if you know how to analyze the market and you have the mind to go into the market. So tonight, we are going to discuss about failing successfully. Why are some people failing and why are some people not failing? All right. I want to let you know that failure is not a bad thing. For instance, you're a forex trader in this house and you've been making mistakes, you've lost. Don't stop. Don't stop because you are losing. Go for knowledge. Don't stop because you're making mistakes in your trades because you're not making profit in your forex trading journey. Don't stop. All right? Don't stop because those failures are just temporary failures. If you are consistent on the chart, I want you to see this market like sit down. Sometimes I will just sit down in front of my television. I'll be looking at the market. Maybe some of you are not doing it that way. See, trading is a full-time business. It's a business. Treat it like a business. But don't expect everyday wins. Don't expect success. Life is all about failure. You need to fail. One of my mentors, Les Brown, would say, he said, you must fail your way to success. Thomas Edison was trying to invent electricity. He could not invent. He failed 10,000 times. 10,000 times. Imagine you and I fail maybe just 2 or 3 times. We've already given up. Oh, Forex, oh my God, this thing doesn't work. Me, I don't know how to trade. Okay, why don't you ask yourself, are there people who are actually making money from the forex market? Can you go and do a research? If it is only one person that has made money from the forex market, why can't you ask yourself, that second person must be me? That's why I tell people, decide on what you want in life. Some of you guys are just treating this game like, let people just know that I'm trading forex now. Any day I get money, I come. Any day I don't get money, I don't come. Sometimes you trade, sometimes you will not trade. No, sir. No, ma. You can't get it. If you want to be a forex trader, be ready to be a forex trader. You'll make it over time. That already meaning that you are going to be consistently placing trade. Will you fail? Will you lose money? Yes, sir. You will lose money. But what are you going to learn? You are going to learn from each of those losses. There is no trade you place that you didn't win, that did not come with a positive experience, eye-opening experience. You say, wow, you are getting data about that particular market. So you must be willing to fail. Be willing to fail. Somebody says success is going from failure to failure without losing enthusiasm. Forex is a very lucrative business. And don't think that you just get it on a platter of gold. No, sir. Nothing comes easy. You are going to make mistakes. Yes, you will. You are going to lose money. Of course, you will. But the difference between you and the other person who quit is because when you lose money, you go back to the formula. You go back for learning. You go and acquire knowledge. That's why in my group, I post videos. Any video I see that is good for you, even me too, I am still learning. Any forex video that I saw on the internet, on YouTube, see, go to YouTube yourself. Acquire more knowledge about these things. Okay, we are trading volatility indices. Okay, how can I make money with these indices? Volatility indices are very, very profitable markets. If you're a forex trader as well, forex is very profitable market. So you need to understand that you are going to be determined to learn this skill. So be interested in learning. Watch videos. Watch video. Don't be afraid of failure, but improve yourself on a daily basis to get better. This business is a business of consistency. If you leave forex trading for 1 month, forex trading will leave you. All right? Failure is an integral part of any success. Somebody said, I have not failed. I just found 10,000 ways that won't work. So anytime I place a trade and trade didn't go my way, hit my stop loss, I just smile. Like 2 days ago, there was a trade I placed. That trade was giving me profit. But because I have already conditioned my trading pattern to be a swing trader, all right? I've already conditioned myself to be a swing trader. So when I see profit, profit doesn't really move me. I may see $500 in my trading, it just look like, this money will come back because I have a direction I know the market is going to. Will I win all the time? No, sir. Would there be time I am on a trade and I'm making profit, but good profit, before you know it, because I was holding for a long time, before you know the market go back to my direction. 1 minute, 1 minute, 1 minute, please. Please, guys, there is technical issue. Please, just hold on another 1 or 2 minutes, please. Technical issues, please, please. All right. Okay, so sorry for that little break. So sorry about that, leaders. I want to thank you for being patient. Now, let's continue with our discussion. I was talking about failure in this business. All right. So sometimes you may place a trade, you're in profit, but because you're a swing trader, before you know it, the trade goes against you and it hits your stop loss. You begin to feel bad. You feel disappointed and you quit. If you do that, you are not going to succeed in any business. That's why I say failure is an integral part of any success. You need to be ready to fail. Yes, that place a trade. The trade was in my favor. We are making profit V50. I'm going to show you, and I'm going to show you the reason why we lost that trade. In all right. So we are going to you're going to I saw that the trade was in our direction. I was making profit, but because I was targeting something, I lost that trade. Why? Because the market didn't go my direction again. Does that make me a failure? The answer is no. I only got a feedback. It was not a failure, it was a feedback. I was making good profit, honestly speaking. And I know most of you guys who took that trade. How many of you took that trade? If you took that trade, can you type yes? How many of you took that trade? If you took that trade, can you type yes? V50. I put it on the signal group. How many of you took that signal? Nobody. Okay, nobody here that took the signal. Okay, Pastor. Pastor, did you close in profit? Did you close in profit, Pastor? Okay, Pastor. Okay, okay. Only any of you who close in profit, can you type yes? Any of you who close in profit, can you type yes, 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 yes? Any of you that close in profit, yes, yes. Okay, okay. Somebody said stop loss. Princess stop. Okay, yes. Okay, Godwin said yes. Who again that close in profit? Type yes, yes. Who close in profit? I'm going to give you the orientation about signal. Who close in profit? Okay, only God will close in profit. Okay. Now, those of you who did not close in profit, don't feel bad. It's just part of the process. If the trade had gone our direction, we would have made more money than the person that closed in profit. So don't allow that to say, trading doesn't work, signal doesn't work. No, 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 sir. It's part of the process. I discovered the reason why that trade was in stop loss. After you hit our stop loss, in the trade. So you need to be prepared to fail. If you are not prepared to fail, then don't trade forex. If you are someone you are just interested in win, even in the signal, let me give you one orientation about the signal group. Now, if you are in our signal group and you see a signal, if you are interested in profit only, if you don't want to lose, you're not interested in long-time profits, long-time profit. If you're interested in short-time profit, but not long-time, because sometimes these closes that you may be closed, the ones that to go our way, you see that somebody will turn $10 to $200 or $300. Okay, somebody that didn't take it. Okay, that was a good one. That was a good one. So that was a feedback. So if you're interested in taking profit all the time, when you see signal in a signal group, collect it. Once profit starts showing, collect your profit. Don't play signal, don't be on the signal group and go and sleep. If you're interested in profit, especially if you want to take a long time trade and make good money, just take the profit. Since you're not the one that analyze the market, take the profit and close your trade. When another trade come again, take it. Close your trade. That's your own risk appetite. You are comfortable with that. That one, you may not even see losses at all. Are we following? I mean, if you're understanding what I'm saying, if you're understanding, can you type 111? So when you take a signal and you see profit, you scalp it and you close it. Even if there was a take profit or there was a stop loss. Take profit. Taking signal meaning take profit. Don't wait for the long-term trades. Don't wait. Because if you wait for the long-term trade, you may not be able to sustain it. Maybe use like yesterday's trade, stop loss was $20 for the least account, for the lowest loss size, one position, $20. One was $9, the other one was $20. So if you're not ready to lose $20 for a long-time benefit, then don't wait for long-term profit. Just collect the profit as it comes. If those of us who took the trade, collected profit, would have made good money, especially if your lot size is good. Because even with the least lot size, we saw up to $10 to $11. With the least lot size, one position, we saw up to $11, $10 to $11. So if you had opened three positions with your $10 account, because it was a sniper entry. Anytime I call a trade, I like to call a trade on a sniper entry. A sniper entry means there is no loss. As it enter the trade goes their direction. It will go your direction for a while. If the trend changes, that's when it changes. But you make profit. So with that kind of sniper entry, if you have $10 and you place three positions, where the trade got to is enough to give you $30 to go and drink, to go and help your family today. Yes, you just joined the academy with small money, but you made big money. So that's how you should be thinking about going about the trades on the Signal group. Please don't wait for long-term profit. If you're not ready to be losing money, don't wait. Those of us who are ready to take stop loss will take it, but one trade can make all the money you have missed, you have lost in all your previous trades. Imagine turning $10 to 50,000 to $500 or $600. $10. That's what we are going to do in the next trades that will be coming, long-time trades. All right, so guys, don't be afraid to fail. Don't be afraid to fail. Fail your way to success. Failing is not failure is an event, not a person. You can't let your failure define you. You have to let your failure teach you. That's by Barack Obama. Your failures, like I said, they are learning for you. Anytime I fail in any trade or any business I do, I just ask myself, so what's the feedback here? What is the feedback? What can I learn from this that has happened? So don't allow fear of failure, fear of losing money to stop you from taking risk in the market. This market is good if you, number one, you must have the mind to fail. Just have that mindset that will fail. You must be willing to take some big risk. Meaning, sometimes you flip your accounts. See, the secret of the business is flipping of account. Flip an account and hold it. What I mean flipping of an account, when you place a trade, don't be using those lowest loss side to be placing a trade all the time. You can use it to build though, but if you want to be on the fast lane, take the risk. Take the risk. Take the risk. Just ask yourself, what's the worst case scenario that will happen? This money will go. All right. So sometimes that's why you need to learn how to analyze the market by yourself, not just depending on a signal. Depending on the signal is a failure mentality. You have already accepted that you are not a trader, that you can't analyze the market. Why? Why would you think like that about yourself? You have a very powerful brain to analyze the market and place your trade and even generate your own signal. It's just about learning. So be willing to take the risk to flip accounts. Then hold the trade. When you flip the account, don't be in a hurry to close it. You just use big loss side, back, you open them. You flip the account as the profit goes. You don't just rush and close. You allow it to run for some time. So if you learn to do that, you can flip $10 to $500, $500 to $1,000. It's a mindset. It's a mindset of I can do it. If it wants to go, let it go. After all, life now one get now. So what's the essence of being afraid? Don't be afraid of failure. Fail your way to success. Failure is a gateway to tacit knowledge. This by a reform. He said failure is simply the opportunity to begin again, this time more intelligently. So when you fail, when you lose a trade, you just ask yourself, so what skill? Is it about, am I not drawing my trend lines correctly? Maybe I'm using too much lower time frame to analyze this market. Maybe I'm going to increase the higher time frame. Maybe I need to watch one or two videos on YouTube. Maybe I need to attend these our regular Zoom meetings to see. Because me, I learn every single day. Whatever strategy I'm teaching you here was not invented by me. I did not reinvent the wheel. I didn't know anything about forex. Me too, I learned it from people and I practice it and it's working. It's working. So only anytime you fail, learn from it. It's a gateway to learn. It's a gateway, all right, to tacit knowledge, failure. Why would you allow fear of failure to stop you? If you remove the fear of failure in this business, I bet you all of us will become billionaires in the next in the next, even in the next 1 year. 5 years is too much. If you can be very, very aggressive enough to flip $300 to $5,000, from $5,000 you flip it to $20,000, from 20 to 60,000. See, the name of the game is flipping. Don't be afraid. Ask yourself, if I lose, I lose. So what happened? Tell yourself that every day. If I lose, I lose. So what is the problem? That's it. Fail your way to success. Successful people are failures. No trader will come and tell you that he has not failed. Some of the traders you've seen today that are billionaires, they all failed from somewhere. They were failing over and over and over and over, but they did not stop. Don't see trading as just a thing that I will do for a while. See trading like a lifetime business. Like for me, I have made up my mind, all right, to be a trader for the rest of my life. Nothing more, nothing less. See trading as a career. And it's a big market, it's a very big career you have as a trader. There will be a time some of you will be trading for institutions and they will give you money to manage accounts. You will get there. There will be a time you guys will have an account of millions of dollars in your trading account. You will get there. I told you this, I told you guys this several years ago when we started this academy. I said, look, there will be a time you guys will be doing well. And today, by the grace of God, most of you guys who are consistent, life reward those who don't give up. Life only reward those who don't give up in their dealings, in their businesses. Don't give up. Don't you give up. You have decided to be a trader. Don't stop. Don't stop. My prayer for you is that may the Holy Spirit, whatever God you are serving, may He give us life, good health. But if you don't give up on trading, you keep on trying. The day you have $10, you try. If you don't have money in your trading account, practice with demo. Even if you don't have money in your trading account, practice with demo. Prepare yourself. Talk to people. I can trade for you. Master the skill. Talk to people that can trade for you. They will give you money. You share with them. You hustle. Hustle and make money. That's why I tell people you must have something doing. You should have something that brings money for you so that you can use the money to now put in the market. You should not just be folding your hands and say, okay, I'm a trader, I don't have money. Let me just be waiting for Almighty God to come and give me money. No. Bible said, I will bless the work of your hand. Deuteronomy chapter 28. I will bless the work of your hand. So you need to do something to create wealth, to create source of income for you to fund your trading account. And when you fund, take the risk, like I said, take the risk. Life is about risk. Don't be afraid if you fail, and so what? You take the risk again next time. Someday you will win. All right. So I want to encourage you to be consistent. Don't allow fear of failure stop you. Be committed to your business every single day. How many times have you looked at the charts? How many times? For me, I don't even have a job. All the business I do are online. All the business, those of you who know me that I know I like to sell. All right. I sell other people's products and services, even as a trader. But I do that from the internet. So every day I watch my chart. Take time and be monitoring your market. Just sometimes you look at it like this evening, like this, as you are back now. Use time frame. We are going to analyze the market now. You see what I'm talking about. Just analyze the market every day. Be on your chart a day. As you wake up to your computer. Be passionate about the business. If you don't have passion, you don't have a business. If you are not passionate about the business, then you are still playing for it like one of those things. One of those things people do. They used to trade. Some days they make money, some days we lose, some days you even say some days we lose, some days we make money. You don't have time for the knowledge because you are not in front of your computer looking at your chart. You are too busy. You don't even have time to look at yourself. I'm not saying you shouldn't work, but have time for your business. This is a business. Analyze the market every day. Analyze the market. Look at it differently from different angle. Look at your market from different angle. What can I do? What is going wrong? Wrong. That's how you go about the business. So without wasting much of your time, let's go to the screen. I'm going to show you, we are going to analyze the market together. And we are going to see what we did wrong the other time and what we need to correct so that we can maximize our profits. I mean, if you can see my screen, if you can see my screen, type yes. If you can see my screen, can you type yes, please? All right, good. Okay. Now, this market, if you look at it, the best way to let me analyze this market for us to see. Let's analyze this market. I'm going to delete everything here. All right. I'm going to delete everything and let's analyze this market together. This is V50. So we go to we'll go to daily time frame. Let's look at this market on a daily time frame perspective. Who can tell me what this market is? Is the market an uptrend or a downtrend? Is it an uptrend or downtrend? If it is up, type up. If it is down, type down. Is it the up or down? Amara sheet up. Okay. Akinsula say up. Okay. Up. Okay, good. Now, this market is an uptrend. It has formed. This is the formation of this uptrend. This is the block. All right. This was a block. This was a block, but they are almost on the same level. So it just took off these two highs completely. So you have to first of all look at what he did here is what he's trying to do here. All right. Now the market has formed a structure here with a daily. Don't look at 1 hour. Don't look at 30 minutes to start your analysis. No. Start with 1 week, then daily. Daily time frame is very, 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 I would say very, 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 very important for you to look at. Daily time frames. Now, before now, before this daily, this particular one formed, what we would have done is to put a channel, all right, to create to because this market was actually obeying a channel. There was a channel here on the downside, so that we can buy the pullback, we can sell the pullback. All right, and indeed, when price got to this channel, it sold. Me myself today, when price, I was monitoring this market, I got to this level, it was very close to this level. I said, let me go to the gym because I intend to sell from here. You see, this was the structure it formed, then it formed a different structure here. Look at it has formed a buy structure. So what it do is that taking this high, it's going to retrace back to this channel. Or even if you are selling from this place, you take it half. If you take it to daily 1 hour time frame or 30 minutes, you see that it's a long, half of this movement is going to be a long movement. So if you have $10 and you're able to hold it till half of this trend, not even if you don't want to risk it to this level, all right, if you risk it half, you make so much money. So we are taking this sell without waiting for the market to touch this trend line, this particular channel. That was a mistake. I said, oh my God. What happened? I didn't see the market on a daily time frame perspective or what? Because I thought it was going to return from here, but it was not enough. I did not draw this. If I had drawn this, I would have known that the market would come here and touch this one before. I thought it would return from here. So I was drawing some kind of, breakout and retest strategy to trade the market. It gave us profit. It gave us profit, but that was just a pullback to the upside again. So what do? You now narrow it to 4 hours time frame. Now we're on daily, right? We'll go to 4 hours time frame. You can see that the 4 hours time frame, the price has touched this channel and is dropping. It's going to drop like, look at what he did here. He did the same thing, went all the way up here. All right? It swing, then it came down here. It has taken these highs, all these lows now. This was the highest high. It has taken this highest high. So it can do the same thing to swing to this place here before going to the upside. So how would it now join? How would it now enter the market? You draw like this. Why am I drawing this trend line? I'm drawing this trend line because of who can tell me why I'm drawing? Why am I drawing this trend line? Who can tell me why I am drawing this trend line? Who can tell me this is an uptrend market, but why am I drawing this trend? Why am I drawing this trend line? Who can tell me why am I drawing this trend line? Is it because the market because this is like okay, nobody can say the reason why I'm drawing this trend line. Okay, now I'm drawing this trend line because of this initial move on the 4 hour. You can see that the market swing. It did higher high and higher lows on the 4 hours. So it could be that the market can see from here and go to the upside. Nothing is guaranteed. Nothing. We are just predicting our own. But big boys may just come in, say, what's that? How can we return the market from here? Come on, that pay is not enough. Let's put in some dollars. They put in $3 million into the market. All right? Because they are the movers. You and I, we are just small people in the market. If the big boy that has, for instance, somebody is trading with $10 million or somebody is trading with $100 million, he has about different accounts loaded with $100 million. And all the accounts they trade, they decide to buy this market. They just place a buy. As they place a buy, it will pump the market to a level, take off your stop losses. They place a sell, collapse the market. That's how the market works. So you need to draw this trend line. Now, when am I supposed to place a trade? as I've drawn the trend line. All right. Now you are going to place a trade if price break through this trend line. 4 hours time frame is going to break through. Don't be in a hurry. Don't watch it with 15 minutes time frame. 15 minutes, 20 minutes, 30 minutes, 1 hour will give you false alert. Look for this 4 hour. Look at if you are looking at 4 hour chart, if you are looking at daily time frame and 4 hours time frame, yeah, was a good buy. You would have drawn this. Yeah, would have been a good buy all the way down. So don't even use those small time frame to confuse you. Let it break out here and retest. When I say break out and retest, like this, let it come down. Let them sell. Let them sell. People are going to sell, swing, no wahala. Let them sell and swing, right? Let them sell and swing. And it will not, let it not come back here and you buy. Don't sell here. It will come here. Look at where it will come. It will sell, expand, it will come to this side. This trade, it's going to be respecting this trend along the way. So it will still sell and come to this line or this upside, right? Once it break, it will not just break straight like this. It will come back and retest. But look out for trade opportunities on this side. It will not just go straight like this. No, with 4 hours time frame. Now, when do you now make it on the 5 minutes, 15 minutes, and all the lower time frames? It is when you want to enter. As price is doing this retest here, and the price is coming down to that, after it must have gone down and it's coming back to test this zone. That is when you now say, okay, I'm looking for a snap entry. You can go to, let me show you time frame like 15 minutes to see again whether you can go practice what I've just taught you and tell me if it is not working. Okay, look at this. It's okay. What is happening? 15 minutes. If you're going to break and retest, I will sell. The best breakout and retest strategy that works is 4 hours. 15 minutes will give you fake breakout and fake retest, and the market take you to the upside. But the 4 hours and daily time frame to see it and then wait for breakout and retest from the 4 hours level. The 15 minutes time frame is just for you to look out for entry, not even 15. I like to enter my market with 5 minutes time frame. So once it has retested with that 4 hours time frame, as it is getting close to the zone, as the retest is happening, you should be watching the market. If you're working, use your computer, put it in front of your chart, be looking at the market with your phone. Just be looking at the market with your phone. If you're working, be monitoring the market. Like most of the time, I sit in front of my computer, in front of TV because I don't want to be watching TV computer all the time. So connect it to your TV in your house and be watching the TV. So now it's coming down. Let it break. Let it break with 4 hours time frame and retest, and then with 5 minutes, once I see that if they're having consolidation here, then the biggest candlestick that will print maybe 5 minutes time frame, you see one big red candlestick or a good pin bar shows. Then as it finish, be looking at the time. Like now, this is 9:48. So at exactly 9:50, this one will change. This one will know where this one will, whether it's in blue, green, or red. So if I see that this one that is going to finish, like now, if this one print now is bigger than all of them here, if this one that is going to finish now is bigger than all of them here, and after it goes, it finish printing, and then the market start going my direction. If it is a sell, the second one to start going my direction, I will just place a sell order. Maybe that time it is ready to go to your direction. Allow this to finish. Always calculate if you are watching with 15 minutes time frame. Okay, 9:45 is to 9:50 to 10 o'clock is 15 minutes. So 10 o'clock, you have to look at the chart. If you're watching with 5 minutes, see when when the market is close to your target, don't go to anywhere. Anywhere they want to send you, don't go. Like this sale that happened now, I missed this sale. I'm angry with myself. This I was monitoring this sale that I will sell to here and collect more money because I was watching the market going up. I say, okay, let me go to the gym. It was doing as if it wants to range. Before I know it, the market started falling. By the time I came back, it already fell down to this level. Would I take this small short profit? At least take profit here first. So this is how you analyze the market. Use higher time frame. It's called top-down analysis. Higher time frame to look at the overall direction of the market. When I say higher time frame, daily time frame, weekly, 4 hours to watch the market. Let it form a structure. Let market form structure with 4 hours time frame. It is easier for you to know the direction of the market. Let it show you what it is doing with daily time frame. Now, obviously, you or I can say that this market is let me remove all these things. Clear your chart and see things by yourself. All right. Obviously, we can see that this market is an uptrend forming. It's going to come to this place. It will take this high. It will take this high. All right. So you see that the uptrend is forming. It will be swinging. Do just go straight to swing. So you take advantage of the swing. Like this now, it is a channel. It has gotten to. It has to swing to this downside, then swing back to this up. That's how it does swimming, waving. It is clearer to see it on a daily time frame. If you are looking at 4 hours, 1 hour time frame, 3 hours time frame, you will not have long time success. You will be taking trades, but daily time frame will give you an opportunity to take a trade on a swing. Like now, if you enter this trade from here, you would have taken it here. How many days? 1, 2, 3, 4. About 4 days. So any trade that happened there for us to come to the downside is going to take us for 3 days for the trade to be completed. So either you take it on a swing or you take it as a scalper, whichever way. Once trade is called, if you are not a scalper, you just look at, if you're a scalper, look at profit and you run away. But if I want to enter this market, I will enter it as swing, meaning I want to take it profit here. So let's wait for the sell to come. It has not really formed. Let it come down a little bit and retest. Now it's too risky. So let's look at V50, V25. Today I saw on the group chat, I saw an alert. I mean, a notification that we should sell V. I mean, if you saw that signal from one of our great leaders in the house, I think it is Success. I've forgotten his name. He posted immediately. He posted that thing. I look at the chart. I say, "What is it? What is happening?" Let me look at the chart, and I saw this. All right. I mean, if you took the signal, can you type? I saw it as an uptrend. Okay. Okay. Please, can you hear me? I mean, if you took this signal, if you see this signal, please say yes. If you, I mean, of us took the okay, Prince, you took the signal. Okay. When the signal came, the sell was already late. Look at what I discovered. I'm going to analyze what that person did. When I look at this market from a higher time frame perspective, okay, yes, some of you guys selecting sticker, okay. I saw this thing when I saw that signal because I was taking this trade. I was actually holding this trade and I made the mistake why I didn't close that trade with good profit. I made some good profit. This V25, I made profit up to this level. But when it was going back, I was blindfolded with my 4 hours time frame structure. I didn't quickly look at the daily time frame structure. I was blindfolded. I don't know what happened. So I allowed the profit to run to this level before I ran out of the market because it broke my 4 hours time frame and retested. Once it broke my 4 hours time frame and retested, I closed the trade. I said that was wrong. Man, that was wrong way of seeing the market. I would have, if I had gone to the market to see the market with daily time frame, I would have known that this market is doing what it did here. Look at the swing now. All right. So here was the beginning of the movement. It moved here, slightly came down, But swing, push for days, it was selling, buying, 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 buying. It now sold for 3 days. This was a signal that the market has started another movement. It's on a race to the upside. So it's going to clear this high now. What it's doing now is a pullback. It's going to clear this high, this one here. It's going to get to this place before it will now perhaps stretch down a little bit. That is exactly what is happening. So I saw this, I said, oh my God. So that was how I lost that money, is where we are learning. So what am I going to do? I'll go to now 4 hours to look for entry. Now that we've discovered that the market is an uptrend. Is the market an uptrend or not? I mean, if you believe it, if it is an uptrend, can you type up? Is the market an uptrend or not? Is the market an uptrend? Up. Okay, good. Good. So take home here tonight. Take home here tonight. Don't analyze your market with 4 hours time frame as to know the overall structure of the market. 4 hours will not even tell you. 4 hours is time frame, but what will show you the overall movement of the market is daily. 1 week will tell you also, but 1 week will make you think so far. If you think about 1 week before you can place the trade, in the next 1 month, you may not even place one trade because you are waiting for 1 week time frame to tell you to buy or sell. But daily, don't joke with daily time frame formation. If daily give you this kind of movement like this, after some days, and you see a movement like this one now, after days, as market was coming like this, what you should have done is to cross that first time. Look at what I did, how I entered the trade the first time. It was this particular trend line. And I entered that trade on a sniper. All right, I was looking at it with 4 hours time frame like this. So market broke through the trend line with 4 hours and then came here for a retest. So I entered a trade here on a sniper here from here. Now, before I entered the trade, as it was coming close to that place, I went back to my 1 hour to see how it looks like. That was the pushback. All right. I'll go back to 15 to see how it looks like on the 15 minutes time frame. 15 minutes also shows that it was a breakout and retest. All the time frame I've shared showed me that it was a breakout and retest. So what am I going to do? I'll look for an entry. I go to the let me go to 5 minutes for an entry. You see, 5 minutes also showing you that the breakout and retest is actually happening. So what I'm going to do, you look for 5 minutes entry. Sniper, this is what we call sniper entry. Once you see this clean breakout and retest market, maybe it broke out from here. All right, you sell. This was also valuable. Look at where the market would have been more better is here. Imagine as the market came back to retest this zone after, okay, look at where I would have entered this trade for a sell is here. This big can, all of them small. Look like it was ranging between this place. There was a range. I will wait for all this range to happen. That I see big one, the one that is a little bit bigger than all of them. After this one print with 5 minutes, it didn't go up. The next one did not go up. Sometimes I will even do the next one, whether it will go up. If it doesn't go up, if you just go that small, I'll enter the trade and then write it down. Hold it for a while. So you can literally enter these trades with higher big lot size. Such kind of sniper entry, you can enter it with big lot size. It's a risk. Yes. This market is all about risk. If you're not ready to lose, then forget it. Don't trade. Will you go your way all the time? No. But when it goes your way, hold it. when you enter with those big lot sizes, don't be afraid. If you lose, let it lose. But if it goes your way, don't say, because I've made $500, oh my God, see $500, will close it. No, allow it to go. Because you have seen the market with a higher time frame that the market is a sell. At that level, it was a sell I saw on a 4-hour time frame. It was a pullback it was doing. It was this pullback, this pullback. So I should have known, if I had used daily time frame perspective, I should have known that the pullback will end here. But no wahala. Now this is the official formation. This is the official formation of this trend. This thing it has done, it has showed that officially the market is now an uptrend. So one would have bought from here instead of still selling. But now let us see how we can go back to this market and sell. Let's see a room to come in as buyers rather. Let's buy. Let's see where we can come in and buy because the market is an uptrend, but it may still come down to this level because right now it's still consolidating. I mean, it's still trending to the. This is 4-hour time frame. This was the push, right? It didn't take this up. It's still coming back. If market comes there, for me to be in this buy, I'll do something first because why didn't it take away this high? I have to put my trend line here. Now, what are you waiting for? If market sells, because the person that was analyzing this market and said we should sell was not wrong anyway. He saw this. All right. He saw this. And if one had entered here, this was the best place to enter. But the market didn't go much far. It went, has been ranging since then. So I saw that some people entered the market even here. I said, me, I will not enter. I just say that it's okay. No, this is not market I will enter for a sell because the market could still break down. I mean, break this trend line. So now, when am I going to buy? When am I going to continue with the buy? Is either market come down here, or it may still come down. It may still do this and still come down to this line. All right. So I will not just enter the buy now. It may just be doing like this, play, slowly, it will get here. This could have been the best place. If it doesn't come down here, maybe here. It will break the trend line. It will break the trend line, do like this, come here. Then the buys I can decide to buy. But if it didn't come down here and it break this trend line again, that means the buyers are no longer interested in the buy. So this is how we analyze the market and enter it. Go back to your higher time frame, see the direction of the market. This is a pullback for an uptrend market. A pullback. What is happening here? Let it break here. If it breaks here and retest, give you a chance to enter, but don't be entering too high. Don't be entering your market too high. When you break, allow you to do this. Sometimes it may take 2 days, 3 days. If you come back to this side, if you enter too high, if you break out now, you enter here, you just go up small. You come back and hit a stop loss. So to avoid that, allow you to do this. It will take some time back to this other side, then you enter. So this is what I have for you tonight. If you have any questions, please, you can ask a question. If you have any contribution, anything, whatever, please ask a question. Enter the training, please learn. I will be dropping videos upon videos on our groups. Videos, some of them are not from me, from other people that you can learn from. My academy has given you an opportunity to learn. I didn't say listen to me alone. Don't listen to me alone. Listen to other people. Watch other people's videos. Learn how they analyze the market that you want to trade. See if there's one guy usually posts his video on our group, make the rave, follow that guy too. Watch his own videos and see. I've learned so much from that young man in this trading. I used to post his videos. That guy analyzes volatility indices and he takes risk a lot. You will open a position 5 places, the highest lot sizes. You will see somebody holding $30,000. He's not even shaking. He does it all the time. So learn from that guy as well. Learn from other people. You will see that whatever I'm teaching you here is what most people would also teach you. Now, it is going to be your mindset. Your trading psychology will be the problem, not the skill set. Most of the time, skill set is not hard to master. To master the skill set is not hard. But what is the problem with traders is their psychology. If you understand market structure like this and then have a good psychology, then you are going to make profit. Please when analyzing the market, how long do one stay online? You can analyze the market, wake up, analyze the market, and then like now I've analyzed this market and I'm waiting for, let me say V50 now. V50 now. Okay, I've not concluded with V50. Let's analyze this V50. So what do we do? What do we do? What do we do? What do we do? Let's go to, now that we've seen that the market is on a downtrend, let's go to 4 hours time, an uptrend. We've confirmed that the market is an uptrend. Let's go to 4 hours time frame. Up doesn't just go up. It has to drop small. So we are looking for that drop to enter. We need to draw this trend line. This is like our decision-making line. If we break this line, and retest, if we break this line and if we break it like this, it will most likely retest on this side. But it will not just break like this straight down and come back straight down. No. If you break it to expand it like this, to retest here. Once it retests, that's when I'm going to be in the sell. If you retest and shows me if a formation, candlestick formation, like I analyzed to you, I'm not going to be on that sell and ride it to this level. From here, maybe by that time, it must have gone far. All right? Maybe it must have gone to this level. By that time, it must have gone to the level. Maybe that's when we cannot look for a buy opportunity. But let it, with 4 hours time frame, I'm not watching with even daily, with 1 hour time frame. I am watching with 4 hours. Let it break 4 hours time frame. Let it come down with 4 hours. If it is going to come down and give me profit, let it retest. Otherwise, I am not selling. Very simple. I keep my money. Now, this is another one, V75S. The V75S is okay. Who can tell me what this market is? Is it up or down? Is it up or down? Is it an uptrend or a downtrend? Down. Down. All right. Somebody say down. Okay, General Marriage say down. Well, this market, according to the daily time frame, let me see the next person. Amali said uptrend. Okay. Up. Okay, John, up. Okay. This market is indeed an uptrend. All right. This market is indeed an uptrend that has been trying. This uptrend, this market is still up to here is still the uptrend. Up to here. This is where sellers came in bad against the buyers. Yeah. Going the price is still here. This is still an uptrend. Until it breaks through this line here now. This is daily time frame. It's going to break through this daily time frame. But I will take it down to that 4 hours now. I'm not going to be monitoring with daily. But I can still tell you that market will still come down, even with the daily, right? Come back here to retest this zone, even if it has to go up, down. So if it breaks down here, so let's go to 4 hours time frame. That's when you have a good entry. So be patient and look for a good entry. Be patient. Now I'm watching this market. Ordinarily, one would have bought from here, but the speed it was. Why I did not buy was because even when I wanted to buy this market, the only time I would have bought this market is when it breaks through this particular trend line. It's not because it's on a support line, I will just place buy. No, support line may disappoint you. But if you had break through this short buy, all right, come back and retest, I would have taken the next buy because it doesn't just go straight. Even if it breaks 4 hours, it will still go like this, come back like this before it will go. That is better buy. So when you enter with that sniper entry, it will take you to the next level. You open your loss sizes. Now we are watching this market to come back and retest this zone. The retest is going to happen. If the retest happen with 4 hours time frame, we are going to look for sell opportunities and jump on board. Maybe perhaps it may even come to this side before the sales will happen. But I can see sign. Let's go to 1 hour time frame and see if 1 hour time frame can. That's to come. If it comes up here, all right, give you some kind of reasons, candlestick formations to enter. That's when you would think for selling opportunity. Don't just sell because it has broken the trend line. No, maybe a see fake out. You can see fake out daily candlestick to look like a long week, then go to the upside again. So let's wait for a retest to happen. Then we'll make our sell decisions on this V75 1S. So I'm expecting this to break through here for a buy. But this sell, I don't want to participate in this sell for now. I want to buy because if I get it's an uptrend, this sell may hook some. Sell here, this is best place to sell. Here is too risky. If you sell here, market just go up. Your sell stop loss will easily hit. So allow it, painfully wait for it to come to this down. Because all the anywhere you sell here is still very, very risky. The market can still give you a wire. So the best places are the beginning, this side, as the trend is forming. This was a good place to buy. So to sell rather. So the sellers have made some money. The people that entered earlier has entered this market and they've made that money. So don't now be trapped. I allow you to come to this place where you buy, it will break out and then come back here if we buy. It's better down. Okay. So at this junction, I think we need to end this Zoom meeting. Somebody said it might be fake retracement. Yes, it might be fake retracement. As we'll come to the end of the training tonight, um, I hope to learn something. How many of you got value here tonight? How many of you got value? If you got value, can you type value? How many of you got value tonight? How many of you got value? Okay, Amadi. Please, what I'm showing you, practice it, practice it. I'm going to be dropping videos. Anytime you see me drop any video, collect the video and watch the video. Sometimes I drop video middle of the night. Thank you, Prince Phil. Sometimes I drop video in the middle of the night because I don't sleep all the time. I'm always on my chat 24, almost 24. I'm looking at my chat right now. After now, I'll just put it on the front of my. I don't watch TV. I put my chat as my TV. Is the class the same with new members? Amadi, I don't understand. Is the class the same? Though my network was unstable, but still got value. Okay, sorry about that. Watch your market. Place trade every day. If you have chance to play market, don't hide because of losing. Wake up from that and allow losses to happen. It makes you learn, but learn every day. Learn every single day. Don't pass a day without watching a video about forex. Don't pass a day. Now we are trading volatility indices. All right, learn about it. All right. So at this junction, I mean, for novice, that's joining your academy. So, okay, you mean this class is also for if we have special class for novice? No, we don't have special class for novice. So for the newbie, for the new, will they understand? Okay. Okay, that's what you mean. I get your point now. Well, for the new students, anybody that joined the academy, It's been added to a particular website where we have the beginner's journey, how to place a trade, all those things. So if you're a beginner, you must go back. Go back. How many of you have seen the website? We have a website where you can go and watch those videos. How many persons here have seen the website of Laprinzo where you can watch videos, the academy videos? If you have seen, can you type me? Because anybody, all the new people that came here, there is a website for you. I did not to Peacemaker. Please chat me up. Peacemaker, chat me up. Okay, me. Okay, Prince and me. Me. Okay, Lucky Victor, me. That website, I am on top down analysis on the side. Okay, good. I have not seen. Please, if you have not seen, please, me, I have. Okay, good. If you have not seen, please chat me up. Let me add you up to that to that. It's a learning platform. It's a learning platform. All the videos about top-down analysis, support and resistance, even as a newbie, how to place a trade is there. What is a lot? So what you need to do is to watch the videos over and over and over. When I joined Forex Company, they gave us one. It was a lady that her name was Daisy, an Igbo woman, but she based in the US. Daisy and Dan Anderson, something like that. She was the one taking us on what is Forex basis. All those Forex basis. I was watching the videos over and over and over. So you have the just be interested in using data bundle to be watching the videos over and over. What is Forex? Watch it over and over. What is a PIP? Watch it over and over. How to place a trade? Those ones are not hard. 1 week, run them out as a complete beginner. When I started Forex journey, in 1 week, I was placing trades. In 1 month, I was already analyzing the market. Why? Because I was watching videos upon videos upon videos. I was attending classes like this on Zoom. So this thing shouldn't be long, too long. 1 month, 2 months, you should be able to analyze the market very well if you are consistent in learning. When you analyze the market, you place trades with demo and see how it works. The way you have analyzed it. Did it work? Yes. If you don't have a laptop, look for a laptop and buy, please. It's going to help you a lot. If you don't have a laptop, look for a laptop and buy. If you have a laptop, fine. If you don't have a laptop, if you have a phone, let your phone be strong. Let your battery be strong. Let you have internet connection to be watching videos and analyze the market with your phone. If you don't have a laptop, from there you cannot buy a laptop. So, guys, this is the end of our presentation tonight. I'm super excited people came up to learn, but I wouldn't have taught myself. I need to teach people. So at this junction, we are going to say good night, and I say bye for now.